You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's create a passkey for your Google account. Go to myaccount.google.com on a computer or your phone's browser and sign in. Click on the Security tab on the left-hand menu. Scroll down the security page until you find the section labeled How you sign into Google. Within that section, look for and click on Passkeys. On the next screen, you will see a blue button that says Create a Passkey. Click it. Your browser or device will ask you to verify your identity using your current password or another method. After verification, it will prompt you to create the passkey using your device's built-in security like Windows Hello, Face ID, Touch ID, or a phone's screen lock. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Your new passkey is now saved. The next time you sign into your Google account on this device, you can use this passkey instead of your password. You can manage or remove passkeys anytime from the same security menu. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel. You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's enable crossfade on Apple Music to blend your songs together smoothly. First, open the Apple Music app on your iPhone. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner to access your account settings. From the menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Audio. Tap on Audio to reveal more sound settings. Here you will find the crossfade toggle switch. Simply turn this switch on. Once enabled, you can adjust the crossfade duration by using the slider below the toggle. Move the slider left for a shorter fade, like 1 second, or right for a longer fade, up to 12 seconds. Play a song. To hear how the end of one track seamlessly transitions into the beginning of the next. This setting applies to music you stream and also to songs you have downloaded to your library. The crossfade feature works on iPhone and iPad, but is not available on Apple Music for Mac computers. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.